Ross Dominick attempting the Ardglaire Stones.
There's just no words to lose someone for whatever reasons, but especially in the circumstances that were preventable. Just
Ross had a partner, Amy, 2 young boys. He also had a son from a previous relationship. And so the whole purpose of a claim in damages in law is to make sure that the family are compensated.
it was just, I don't know, it was just this haze, big haze. And even 10 months down the road, it's still difficult to accept.
I think it's very important at the outset, when you're contacted by any bereaved family member, is you recognise their suffering first and foremost. We encourage them to ask as many questions as possible. What is the procedure? What do we do? What does it all mean? There is no amount of money that compensates you for the loss of a loved one, but you must ensure that your future is secure.
The help they've given myself and my immediate family has been immeasurable, immeasurable.
That motorcyclist, he was on his own side of the road, there was no speed issue, and a driver never saw him. More has to be done to the education of the driver, and we need to ensure that summer after summer we don't have increasing numbers of motorcycle fatalities. We have to do something to drive that figure down.
Why didn't you just look? Why didn't you just stop and look again? If you had just taken another look, that's all it took, and it would cost you absolutely nothing.